Have you ever reached camp, fired up your stove, and realized making a simple cup of coffee is taking far longer than it should? Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, or enjoying a weekend picnic, waiting forever for water to boil can turn a relaxing outdoor experience into an annoying one. That's where a lightweight, purpose-built camping kettle can make a bigger difference than most people expect. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bulin Camping Kettle, a 2.2-liter portable outdoor kettle designed for campers, backpackers, hikers, overlanders, and anyone who enjoys making hot drinks or meals outdoors. At first glance, it might seem like a simple piece of gear, but after spending some time with it, there are a few reasons why it stands out from many generic camping kettles. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is how light this kettle feels. Despite offering a generous 2.2-liter capacity, it doesn't add much weight to your gear. That's important because every ounce matters when you're carrying equipment over long distances. The hard anodized aluminum construction helps keep the weight down while still feeling durable enough for regular outdoor use. It doesn't feel flimsy or overly thin, which is often a concern with lightweight camping equipment. Visually, the kettle has a clean, functional design that prioritizes practicality over unnecessary features. The wide body helps distribute heat efficiently, while the folding handle makes storage easier when packing. One detail that deserves attention is the insulated anti-scald handle. If you've ever accidentally grabbed a hot metal handle outdoors, you'll appreciate having an extra layer of protection when pouring boiling water. It provides a comfortable grip and makes handling the kettle feel safer and more controlled. When it comes to performance, this kettle does exactly what most outdoor enthusiasts need it to do. It heats water quickly and works well over camping stoves as well as open fires. That flexibility is one of its biggest strengths. Not every campsite has the same setup, so being able to use the kettle with different heat sources makes it more versatile than some alternatives. Whether you're making coffee before sunrise, preparing tea during a break on the trail, or boiling water for dehydrated meals, the process feels straightforward and efficient. The 2.2-liter capacity is another practical advantage. For solo hikers, it may be more capacity than necessary, but for couples, small groups, or families, it becomes much more useful. Instead of boiling multiple batches of water, you can often prepare enough in a single session. That saves both time and fuel, which is always valuable when you're outdoors. Another area where the Bulin kettle performs well is portability. It comes with a carry bag that keeps it protected during transport and helps organize your cooking gear. The lightweight design means it's easy to pack, whether you're loading a backpack, organizing an RV, or preparing a vehicle for a weekend camping trip. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. This kettle is designed specifically for boiling water rather than serving as a multi-purpose cooking pot. If you're looking for cookware that can also prepare meals, you'll likely need additional equipment. Also, while the aluminum construction helps reduce weight, it doesn't retain heat as long as heavier stainless steel alternatives. Compared with similar camping kettles in this price range, the Bulin stands out because of its balance between capacity, portability, and weight. Many larger kettles become bulky and heavy, while smaller ultralight options often sacrifice capacity. This model manages to offer a useful middle ground that works well for a variety of outdoor activities. Overall, the Bulin Camping Kettle succeeds by solving a simple but important problem: getting hot water quickly and efficiently in outdoor environments. It's lightweight, easy to carry, safe to handle, and practical for everything from coffee and tea to meal preparation. If you're tired of using makeshift solutions for boiling water outdoors, this kettle is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.